In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then hit Emergency Contacts. Select Add Emergency Contact and click on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you're ready, hit Done at the bottom to add those contacts. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. To delete one of them, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Remove option, click on the one that you wish to get rid of, and tap on Remove at the bottom. Remember that this switcher next to Show on Lock screen has to be on for those contacts to appear on your locked screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!